All right, so it's that time to strengthen our hips and our upper body. We need to be able to walk. We need to be able to lift and carry things. We need to be able to wrap those presents. So here we're going to get ready for that. Again, we're going to come into our lovely 4-point kneel here. Push the floor away. Find that lovely length through your spine from the crown of the head through to your sitting bones. Think about that sideways shift we did before. Shift to one side and extend the leg out. And then come back in. Imagine you've got your favorite glass of wine on your back, or it could be a Christmas present that you don't want to drop, and you're just going to extend that leg out, keeping your hips level so you can feel your weight shifting so your leg can go out, and then bring it in without dropping your parcel or your glass of wine off your back. Good. Just do that 5 or 6 times and see how that feels.